Today we are going to be making edible slime.
I'm going to be using STARBURST.
I'm going to be using
Gummy worms
and gummy bears.
It's
heavy, but it's only 3 pounds.
Yeah.
I need to
do it.
I'm going to use this and this.
Let's do this. Yes. So I'm going to just use pink and red. Need help over there, friend? Sorry.
Oh, I think I opened it too.
Okay. Oh, I forgot how good gummy worms were. I've had one for like years.
2 hours later.
Okay, now that took forever.
Yeah.
I have all my STARBURST in the bowl. She has all her gummy worms in the bowl. That took like 2 minutes because it was pouring.
I just have
Now put it in the microwave.
Yes. Mine has one.
This is gonna take forever.
Let's watch it. Wait, you're not supposed to smell in.
I hope it melts.
It might.
I hope. Yours is gonna melt, definitely. Yours are gummies.
Mine's.
We might have to boil mine. Put mine over.
Oh. Hey, give me it. You're mean. I need to
You
get
want it now? Oh. I didn't eat it. Trust me.
You're chilling. Now I have to get more.
I think we might have to go to our stove.
Wait, is it melting?
Oh no, we might have to go to my stove.
No, it's not. 6, 7, 4,
I think we're
13, 12.
I think we might have to go to my stove.
Yeah.
Probably.
Or the oven.
I'm just kidding. This one.
Oven. It's not melting.
Oh yeah, one melted.
Oh, 1. Try 2 minutes, because when I watched the video, it said 2 minutes.
For STARBURST?
Look, it's
melting.
Hold on, can you guys see the? Oh, wait.
Oh my god, it's actually melting. It's a big bubble.
Oh, go get your spoon, and then she can just mix right here. Get your spoon.
Thank you, friend. Thank you, good friend. Oh my god!
Ew, looks like. Mix it and see if this. Oh my god, this smells so good.
Oh, it smells terrible. Okay, Morgan, put yours in. Read. Time 2, 0, 0.
I know.
Oh, it smells disgusting.
You don't like the smell of STARBURST?
2,000 years later.
So now that we've melted it, I have to put mine
Mine
in for a
looks
few
like
more.
this.
Mine looks like glue.
Mine's
looks like
not ready. That's why there's cornstarch and stuff. But now, yeah.
Make a tiny hole. Now that I've been assisted, let's. Oh, my spin's falling. Oh god.
I'm gonna do. What is this called again? It's cornstarch. How much?
Just a little at a time. Oh, it's easier to do this instead of.
Well, you can't. Like this much needed or more?
Yeah, that's good. Oh god. What did I do? Okay, that's good. Oh, mix. You have to hurry. You have to mix fast. It's gonna start to become a solid and not a liquid. Why is my cornstarch? I mean, whatever it is, I have to stand. This does not look appealing. I think mine actually might acquire that too. Okay, this is gonna take a long time.
I'm glad we have this table. Sometimes sometimes you guys have to put it back in the microwave because it dries easily.
Yeah, that's why we had to put mine back in the microwave for like 2 seconds. Well, 30.
And then how to make
Oh
it.
my god, look at it, Morgana! Look at this! Oh my god, I love it! It doesn't smell good, but I love it!
It really doesn't smell good at all.
No, hers is like, yeah. Hers is disgusting.
Why do I have that?
This does not look like slime.
It's not
This. After you add a lot, it actually looks like it's working, but it's not.
It's good.
Mine is ready to go to play with it. It's just very hot. What about yours, Morgan? Okay, I'm just gonna grab a little bit. Look at it. I took a little mini piece.
Is mine? Okay.
Just play with yours, and I'll help you if it gets stuck. Mine turned out good. It's very stiff, though.
And hard. Well, yeah.
Stiff, but it's not sticky, which I'm glad about.
Mine's good. It's still getting there. It's just kind of sticky. That's why it's still on the table right here. The cornstarch helped.
Hers is like watch how, okay, watch how hard this is for me. It's stuck again!
Anyways.
I don't, wait, look. It's in my hair, it's in my hair, it's in my hair! Look, it's in my hair. It's
It tastes good.
I already tried mine. Give me this. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. Bye, guys!
Bye.
God, yours is sticky.
It's moving the whole table.
Here, let me help you.